Introduction to Python. High-level, interpreted programming language. Emphasizes code readability with simple syntax. Widely used in web development, data science, automation, and more. History of Python. Created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. First released in 1991. Named after Monty Python's Flying Circus. Python 2 versus Python 3 evolution. Features of Python. Easy to learn and use. Interpreted and dynamically typed. Extensive standard library. Supports multiple paradigms, OOP, procedural, functional. Platform independent. Python applications. Web development, Django, Flask. Data science and machine learning, Pandas, NumPy, TensorFlow. Automation and scripting. Game development. Desktop applications. Interactive mode. Executes code line by line. Ideal for quick testing and debugging. Accessed via Python shell or terminal. Script mode. Writing code in .py files. Suitable for larger programs. Run using command line or IDE. Basic elements of Python programming. 1. Character set. Letters, digits, special symbols, whitespace. 2. Escape sequences. \n, \t, \\, etc. 3. Constants. Fixed values, numeric, string, Boolean. 4. Identifiers. Names for variables, functions, etc. Must begin with a letter or underscore. 5. Assignments. Assign values using equals. Example x equals 10. 6. Keywords. Reserved words like if, else, while, def, class. 7. Punctuators. Symbols like. 8. Expressions and statements. Expression, 2 plus 3. Statement x equals 2 plus 3. Data types in Python. 1. Numeric types. Int, float, complex. 2. Numeric type conversion. Int, float, complex. 3. Implicit versus explicit conversion. Implicit, int plus float float. Explicit, float, 5. Operators and expressions. 1. Arithmetic operators. Plus, dash, asterisk, //, %. 2. Assignment operators. Equals, plus equals, dash equals, asterisk equals, / equals. 3. Logical operators. And, or, not. 4. Relational operators. Equals, comma, equals.